This is a quick video on how to set up profiles in TouchChat. I've used profiles mostly in two situations. One in which a student is moving from one vocabulary set to another, and also when students have two languages. So for example, when they have English and Spanish, then we can use this. So I've gone ahead and copied the vocabulary templates. So we have here SK English. I just made up SK, but SK English is here. I've also made a copy of SK Spanish, and you don't see it here. This confused me the first time, but what you have to do is actually scroll down, find Spanish, and where you find the Spanish templates, way down here, that's where you'll find SK's Spanish. So what we're going to do is open up the English vocabulary. Okay, and then we will go into menu, settings, and then see how it says save profile here? We're going to go into here and call it English. Save. Done. Okay, now we're going to go into vocabulary, choose new vocabulary, and we're going to go into that Spanish vocabulary. Okay, so you can see the Spanish here. We'll go into menu, settings, save profile, Spanish. The other setting that you can set at this time is that for the voice, you can actually use a Spanish voice. I won't do that now, but that is something that you can do so that all the Spanish is actually pronounced with a Spanish voice, which is a great feature of this. Okay, so done. The next step is to create buttons to navigate us back and forth between the two vocabularies. So we are in the Spanish vocabulary right now, and we need a button that will take us to the English vocabulary. So what I'll do is I'll go menu, edit page, select a blank button, edit this button, and remember I need to go to the English page. And I usually don't do anything fancy, but I will make the body color something different, like, let's see, this bright orange maybe today. And then what we'll do is down at the bottom, we'll get rid of this speech message. We will add, and I believe it's called select profile, and this button is for English. Save. Done. So then when you select English, it'll take a second, but it will take you to the English vocabulary set. Now we want a button that will take us back. So we go into groups and we find a blank button. This, unfortunately, they're not in the same spot, but whatever. The blank button is over here this time. So I usually do two different colors. So we just did orange for English. So maybe we'll do purple for Spanish or whatever. And we'll put a Spanish button right here, and that'll take us to the Spanish vocabulary. Hope this helps.